Hello, my name is Venka and I'm 11 years old. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to put hotkey setup in Thinkorswim. First, go to Thinkorswim. Once you're in Thinkorswim, go to Setup, Application Settings, Hotkeys. Enable Active Trader Hotkeys. To do the buy market, it'll be Shift 1. To change that, click here, then change your number or letter or symbol. Click the Shift, Alt or Control. I'll be doing Control. I want A for this, so find A. Once you find A, it'll be shown up there. Sell market, do the same thing. Instead, we'll do S. Once you have done that, the auto send will be Control D. The cancel all will be Control E. Then the cancel all will be Control F. Then make sure that it's saved. Then once it's like that, it should, if you hit apply settings, then go back to setup, application settings, hotkeys. You see Control D or apply settings. Make sure that your keys are not already been selected. So we will choose this one as C or V. Hit apply settings. Then as you can see, if I hit shift, our cancel all will be turned into our cancel ... will be turned into cancel all, and hotkey setup will appear. To buy and sell, you'll click A. If it's not appearing, hit Control A, then hit send. Then you'll buy at one position. If you hit Control S, it'll close that position. If you have many orders, you have 3. If you hit Control V, if your hotkey setup is not working, go back to application settings, hotkeys. If your cancel all is not working, click apply settings, then check it again. Or you can, instead of cancel all, you can use flatten. Search for flatten and turn it into Control E. Or turn it into Control M. Hit apply settings, type Control M, then it will close all the orders you have put it. If you put it many orders like I am right now, I have put it 3 orders. If you control them, it'll flatten all of them, so you have 0 orders. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it.